Okay, so now that we discovered a bit the product and its features, let's see how to operate it. Well, firstly, you will have to install it on yourself, starting by placing the EMG armband, such as this. Then you need to place the device on a flat surface, opening the straps and place your hand into the different parts. Then you need to strap your wrists, such as this, and then strap the face on. Now that it's tight, as explained a bit before, you have different adjustment knobs so you can have a better fit if you need. Now that it's placed, you just need to give a small press and you will have the light on to power up the device. And now you can go on the application in the Find Device. You just need to click here and it will search, find the device, and then click on Connect. Now the device is connecting, as you can see, and you enter in the main page with the different elements, starting with the waveform, in which you can see the data collection from the EMG band, such as this. So if I put my arm in a very relaxed way, you can see that all the 6 elements are very still. So we ensure that it's working properly, it's properly placed. And now we can start with the passive mode. But before using the passive mode, you can go to the setting if you want in order to adjust the different elements of the device, such as the minimum hold time and also the percentage of rotation angle. But normally it's already properly set from the factory, so you don't need to touch it further. Just press OK and go back, and let's start with the passive mode. So in the passive mode you have 3 different options, 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 1 hour of training. You can select to the amount you want, and let's just start it. Now that you click, you will see the device starting to train with a countdown and showing every time all the elements, the rotation angle and the rotation percentage. So that's basically it for the passive mode. Let's now go to the remote mode. So if you go to the remote mode and then you activate, you can now use the remote control, and with each press you can decide to open, control the extension, such as this, to the time you want, as you want. And now the last mode, the EMG mode. This one is a bit longer because first part needs to be the training, as the unit needs to collect the data first before starting the training. So let's put the remote control away. Let's start by clicking on the gesture training. So in the gesture training you can select a template. We'll now select a new template on which you will put your training. Let's go to next. See, now my arm is rested, so all the elements are still, and we can click on start. And so now you will have a countdown for the time of the training. So let's start by training the relax mode, such as this, for 10 seconds. Okay, now let's start the grip mode, like this. You can see the signals moving in the waveform. And now let's go to the extent. Okay. The device and the app will ask you to repeat it in order to properly collect the data, and each time it will ask you to press again in between the different gesture collection, such as you can see. The countdown. Now let's do the extend, the grip, extend, and finally the relax. Okay, so now you have this alert notification saying that the whole training, the whole data collection for the training, gesture training is done. You can see it. If you want, you can click on the model download. You can see now it's in training. Okay, so now that your gesture training is done, you can go on the model download to view it. Normally it will take a bit of time, and you will have a red notification new saying that, showing in front of the template you put your gesture training. So you can click on view, you can select use the model. It will ask you if you are sure to use the model, press OK. And the model is now being updated into the app. So it takes a bit of time, but you have a countdown, as you can see, the percentage. Also, you need to make sure during the update of that model that your Bluetooth is connected, and do not turn off the power of the device, as it will make the gesture training download wrong. So now we are up to 25%. So we are almost there, 90%. Let's wait a few seconds more for the download to be complete. 99. Okay, so you will have an alert saying that the update is successful and that your device will reboot. So you just need to press OK, and as you can hear, the device is rebooting. You can now click again on connect. And so now that the device rebooted and that we went again on the EMG mode page, you can click on activate to start the training. You will have a beep sound saying that the device is ready, and now with each gesture it will get your signals from the training and the data collected, and it will perform the gesture you intend. Just for example, right now I want to do the grip. I intend to do now the extend, and it will perform the extend. And it will each time show you the current gesture the device think you are. So right now I am relaxed, and in fact it shows relaxed, and if I want to do the grip, you can see it understands it. Same for the extent. And once you are done, you just need to click to pause, and now the training is done.